Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today we are just going to be covering this cake with fondant. Okay, so I have already trimmed my cake. I'm now going to be using this to crumb coat my cake. It's a mixture of buttercream and cake crumbs. Okay, this will help me to seal up all the rough edges on my cake. You can do this in the absence of ganache. Okay, this works very well. So I am just rubbing it all over my cake. So how are you guys doing? How is business generally? I know, right? But I know God is going to be helping us. So just keep praying, just keep moving, just keep believing God, just keep being you, just keep working hard, okay? All right, so let's continue. You rub your cake cement, that's what I love to call it, cake cement, all over the body of your cake, and make sure that as you do that, you are creating sharp edges, you are making your cake very neat. You know, fondant is not forgiving. Whatever is under is what will be on the top. It doesn't hide. Okay, so we are using the panel method to do this. So I'm creating a log first. You see the way I started, I created a log and I am rolling my fondant in the direction that it should go. Okay, I want to have a long strip, so make sure that you use some icing sugar on your table first, and make sure that you keep moving your fondant as you roll. So I have already pre-measured my cake, and I know the height and I know the length that it should be. So I am just going to be, you saw me using my tape measure, so I'm just arranging it and making it carryable, because you don't want it too long, you don't want it too big before you start carrying it. So guys, if this is the first time of being on my channel and you like what you're seeing, please look below and press the subscribe button, and also do not forget to press the notification bell so you get notifications when we post awesome videos like this. We love decorating cakes, we love to work with wafer paper, we love to make wafer paper flowers. We just love caking it. Okay, so let's go. You saw me spraying my using a spray bottle. Okay, that's just water. I'm just making the first surface of my cake a little bit wet, because most times after you do use your crumb coat and you are working and rolling your fondant, it becomes dry, and your fondant can stick to the body of your cake if it is not wet. Okay, so as you roll your fondant, use your smoother to make sure that your fondant is getting stuck to your table. Now you see we are done rolling it all around. I'm using my smoother to go around my cake to make sure that it is thoroughly stuck to the body of my cake. We don't want it falling off. Okay, so I'm going to be using my knife now to cut up the excess, so just pay attention. All right, so there's one thing that you may not know. We offer online classes for anyone who wish to learn. We have beginners classes, we have classes for wafer paper, we have classes for small chops, because I am a small chop boss. Okay. All right, so if you want to take classes on those, you can contact me. There's my WhatsApp detail is down below this video, so contact me to get information on that. I love working with fondant. You can wake me up at any time of the day and say, "Anne, cover that cake with fondant," and I would just move. I love it. In fact, recently I covered 5 fondant cakes, as in 5 cakes with fondant in less than 3 hours. I actually timed myself. I was like, wow, that makes me a pro. What do you like to work with? Are you team fondant or you're team buttercream? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so we are just smoothing every part of the cake, and now it's time to cover the top. So I'm just rolling out a circle, and I'll be using it at the top of my cake. So just keep watching. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. You know we love hearing from you. And if you have not hit the subscribe button, hit it now. Alright, as soon as we are done putting this at the top of the cake, we'll be flipping the cake over. Ow, I know some people are scared of flipping their cakes over. I know, right? I've been there too. I used to be scared. I have another method of covering this cake without flipping it over, but I teach that in my online school. If you want to know, you can enroll for my online classes. So this is our cake. Can you feel those sharp edges? They can cut. They are super sharp. Okay, thank you for watching.